Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Professional Nishit Kotak and I am associated with ICT Department, Marwadi University since 2017, that is since the inception of the department. I am the proud alumni of DAICT, renamed as Marwadi University, Gandhinagar. So, I am majorly taking the subjects of artificial intelligence, and the people are having the particular query that whether the concepts of AI, whether the subject AI is included in ICT or not. So, I just want to give a small example that what is AI? AI is a buzzword which we are hearing right now everywhere, here and there. So, AI stands for artificial intelligence. Now, what is this intelligence? I will be giving a small example. What is this intelligence? So, for example, if I just take the example of let us say I am touching the hot vessel with my hand, and now if suppose when I touch this particular hot vessel, at that time some stimulus will be shifting to my brain indicating that okay, the particular vessel is hot. Now at this particular moment the brain instructs me to repel my hand from the vessel, and that is the action. Now this is why I am doing this. The reason is that this is because of the natural intelligence. We are gifted with the God gifted intelligence, that is the natural intelligence. Now I want this particular same thing to be applied over the machines. So what I am doing now, machines do not have the natural intelligence. I want this particular intelligence to be shifted to the machines artificially. Now this particular term artificial intelligence, I believe personally that it is not one subject. It is the fusion of multiple different domains. Like I can add the intelligence, I can make the things smarter in the field of biomedical, I can make the things smarter in the field of finance, I can make the things smarter in the field of construction, I can make the things smarter in the field of electronics, I can make the things smarter in the field of communication, cybersecurity, IoT and so on. So wherever you will be looking around at that time, if you feel that this particular thing is smarter, that is it, that is where your life is easy. So I just want to give a small example of the smartphone. So every day we are using this smartphone, we can't imagine our life without this particular smartphone. So what this smartphone is all having about? It is having the chips, the let us say Qualcomm chip or the NVIDIA graphical processing unit, we are having the cameras, we are having the sensors, all these things are the electronics enabled with AI. Whenever we are talking with our friends or I am in the call, at that time we hear the clean voice. We hear, despite having surrounded by many people, we have the effect of listening to the person's voice clearly because of the noise suppression. That is nothing but the signal processing where the AI is integrated. Whenever we will be chatting with our friends, at that time in the WhatsApp we get the next word prediction. If I am writing good, then they will be suggesting me the morning or evening or night instead of laptop. Why? Because there is the next word prediction approach that has been integrated in our WhatsApp. So that is nothing but the software enabled with AI. If suppose I just give you the example of Amazon recommendation system, if I am purchasing the t-shirts, at that time I will be getting the suggestions of the jeans pants rather than the laptop. Why? Because that is based on the collaborative learnings, collaborative filterings of the recommendation system. That is nothing but the application enabled with AI. I am getting the unusual logins to be detected. I am getting the messages, or you can say right now whenever the people fraud calls I am getting, the Truecaller application just detects them whether it is a spam call or not. There are no particular person sitting on a particular server room to detect whether this is a call or from the spammer or not. So that is nothing but the cybersecurity integrated with AI. Right now we are having the smart IoT control systems which controls the oven, light, fan, everything. So our home has become the smarter. That is nothing but the integration of IoT with AI. So if we just look into this particular aspect, AI is applied everywhere. The mixture of multiple domains are there in AI. So ICT is all about this particular cluster, this particular mixture. You will be learning the basics, the domains like electronics, communication, cybersecurity, IoT, networking, and then there is a subject that is AI, where you will be learning how to apply the intelligence over all these particular subjects. So, if I just tell about the subjects that are integrated or that are involved in ICT, which deals with the particular term AI, then in your second semester you will be learning about the R programming language, which is a very highly favorable language in the field of data analytics, data statistics. In the next semester you will be learning the Python programming, then the probability and statistics, then you will be learning the data visualization and dashboard, where you will be learning about different types of the visualizations tools like Power BI, Tableau. Then there comes the semester where you will be learning about the machine learning plus artificial intelligence plus computer vision, deep learning, information retrieval and natural language processing, recommendation systems, generative AI, and all these particular subjects forms the AI domain of ICT. So, if I just tell about our students' success in this particular field, then out of 100 plus patents and the copyrights that have been registered especially for the ICT students, we are having more than 20% of the patents to be registered in the field of AI. Our students are doing marvelous work by integrating multiple different domains with AI. If suppose I tell one of our student has visited IIT Guwahati and has designed the particular system where you can have the hardware expressions, that is the integration of the electronics with AI. Our students have been selected under the program of MITEX TRIP, where they are going outside India, they are going to Canada, they are going to Taiwan, and they are doing the research internships. These internships could be the fully funded or the semi-funded internships, where they are learning lots and lots of the things, and that is only because their base of all the particular domains are clear, and then they are applying the AI over it to make the things smarter. If I say about various different types of the projects, now we believe that engineering, after the engineering course, the students will be moving outside in the industry. So, there needs to be the future ready, there needs to be the industry ready, and hence we follow the technique of project based learnings. If I just highlight certain projects, some of the projects, let us say for example, one of the project has been designed by our student, that is Kanha says. That particular thing tells me the solutions of my particular day to day life problems based on the Chat Gita, that is nothing but based on the Bhagavad Gita. Now over here we are fully occupied or equipped with Chat GPT, so applying the same concept over there, I am asking the particular system that okay, I am currently facing this or the so on issues. So it will be giving me the verses from the Gita, and it is believed that okay, the Bhagavad Gita is having the solutions of all the problems that are existing. So that is nothing but our student has designed. If I just move further around, then our student has designed the history based Gita, history based GPT solutions, where if you will be asking the question based on let us say who was the first person to land on moon, then it will be giving you the answer in the particular format. So that are all the things where our students are designing the solutions. Our students have designed the multiple different types of the solutions, let us say the movie recommendation system. They have designed the solution, let us say the product recommendation system. They have designed the solution, let us say if I am having a particular furniture to be designed, then which color of the furniture will be looking best based on the exterior or the interior parts. So that type of the solutions that our students are designing by following this track in the ICT department. So I will be humbly requesting that okay, you please do visit the ICT department at Marwadi University and just explore how what wonders can be done in this particular domain. So that's it. Thank you.